Did you know that love can grow right in your garden? A green and vibrant world of botanical affection is waiting for you to uncover. Behind the scene, there exists a hidden world of fascinating plant life, which goes beyond the ordinary and mundane. Yes, plants with heart-shaped leaves, each possessing its own unique charm and appeal. Can you believe it? Isn't it fascinating to explore the beauty of love and nature intertwined? Let's start with the anthurium, a plant native to the Americas. Stands tall with its glossy, heart-shaped leaves that embody both beauty and love in their unique shape. This plant, often overlooked, could be a perfect addition to your garden, with its leaves glistening in the sunlight, manifesting love in the most organic way possible. Next, we move to the philodendron scandens, a houseplant favorite known for its lush green heart-shaped foliage. The philodendron scandens is more than just a plant. It is a testament to love and affection. As it grows, it spreads love throughout your home, with each leaf representing a beat of the heart, a pulse of passion. But let's not stop there. Have you considered the Dutchman's pipe vine? This fascinating plant boasts large, heart-shaped leaves that are sure to turn heads. As the vine grows, the leaves grow along with it, creating a stunning landscape of love and affection. The Dutchman's pipe vine is a testament to the resilience of love, growing and flourishing against all odds. Now, let's delve into the sweetheart Hoya, an easy-to-care-for plant with succulent heart-shaped leaves. The sweetheart Hoya is a plant that truly embodies love, with each leaf shaped like a heart. As the plant grows, so does the feeling of love it exudes, filling your home with warmth and affection. This plant, with its eye-catching leaves and compelling beauty, both aesthetic appeal and emotional satisfaction. Heart-shaped leaves are more than just captivating to look at. They represent a symbol of love and affection that resonates with our deepest emotions. Expand your knowledge, broaden your horizons, and embark on a journey that will take you through the intricacies of plant life, uncovering the hidden beauty that lies within. So want to learn more? Subscribe to Daily Plant Love. There's a whole world of plant-related topics waiting for you, a world that encompasses beauty and affection, all in the comfort of your own home. Grow your love, one leaf at a time.